In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade options on Webull. Now to do this, you need to open an account and you need to apply for options trading. So to do this, what you want to do is just open up and put some money on your account. Then to enable options, you want to go to the menu, settings, manage brokerage account, options trading, and then you need to complete the assessment, and then you have to wait for them to review it until you are approved. After that, you just need to understand quickly what it means, so you can pause and read these, but if you're going to do options trading, you probably already know this. Now the next one is simply pick any stock, and then you will be able to click on options only if you have been approved up here. Then you can click on options, and then you can place the trade. So that is how it's done, and you can do this from the app or from the website, and this is basically how it's done. Just keep in mind you need to get approved first before this works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.